Hi, I'm Laura Winston. I am with the ambassadors for the Chamber of Commerce, and we are here today with Olympia at Pak Plaza Pawn, and she's going to tell us a little about her business.
Hi, I'm Olympia, Pak Plaza Pawn Shop. My dad has been in this business since the 70s, 1974 to be exact. We also opened a jewelry store, and we've now merged that into Pak Plaza. So Stefano Brothers is now here, and we have our online presence and our Etsy shop still under the name Stefano Brothers. We also do guns and tools and guitars and short-term loans, and we do online sales if you want to sell stuff. We do a little bit of everything. If you want to check out some estate jewelry or pawn or sell some to us, come check us out at 3601 Central Avenue. We are next to Burger King. We've got a big orange fence around us. You can also check us out online at Stefano Brothers on Instagram and Facebook.